Okay, so I have another electrical device, socket outlet. Okay, it's a single phase socket outlet. Domestic application we can use this, so it can be used up to 240 volt, and industrial sockets are in different form. Okay, so this has 3 terminals which you might have seen already, one for line, one for neutral, and another one earth. So how to test this? So we are not going to use the multimeter here, so we are going to use another meter for performing the test, because we are going to check the insulation, not the conductivity. Okay, so this is the IR tester. Again, I will explain this meter in detail in future classes. So let us do the test. So for performing the test, what we have to do, we have to keep the meter in 500. So this is in the off condition, so keep the knob in 500 volt at DC. Okay, so this device is operating in DC voltage, and it is high voltage 500 volts, so we should be very much cautious when we are doing the test. So I have a socket outlet here, I have a earth point, and I have a neutral point, line point, and then I have a neutral. Line, earth, neutral. So these 3 terminals I am going to check the insulation resistance, not the continuity, but this is a insulation resistance. So that means we are going to check the open circuit test. Okay, so let me connect between line and earth first. So line and earth I connected, and I am going to press the test button here. I have a test button here. I need to press the test button for long time. Just press, hold it, and you can see some reading there. So it shows 999 mega ohms. So that means almost 1 giga ohms of resistance is there between line and earth in the socket outlet. So it is good for use. Now I will connect between line and neutral. The same way I change the position of the probe, line and neutral, and again I press the test button. Now you can see the same value. That means here again the insulation between the line and neutral also good. And the third combination, I need to connect between earth and neutral. So earth and neutral. So I connected here. Again I press the test button. I get the resistance 999 mega ohm. So that means all 3 terminals are isolated properly, and it does not have any short circuit. So the open circuit test is fine. So now we have 2 more devices. So have a Edison type lamp holder or a pin type lamp holder, and then I have a thread type lamp holder as well. So we are going to perform the insulation test for these 2 holders as well, lamp holders as well. So the same method. So I have a neutral here and a line, and I have a line, neutral, earth. So 3 terminals are there. So I am going to make a same combination. First I will make a line and the earth. Okay, I just connect between line and earth, and then I press the test button. I get the high resistance here, so that means there is no short circuit between line and earth. So now I will connect between line and neutral. Okay, so line and neutral, and again make a test. So I get a high resistance, so that means again there is no short circuit between line and neutral as well. So now I need to check between earth and neutral. So now in this condition we are checking again between these 2 terminals. So the resistance is still high, so there is no short circuit between these 2 terminals as well. So similar way we can perform the test for the other lamp holders also. Here you can see it is given line, neutral, earth. So 3 terminals are there. So I need to perform between, first let me consider line and earth. So I connect between line and earth and press the test button. So I get high resistance, so it is open properly. And then again I connect between line and neutral, perform the test, measure the resistance 999 mega ohms, very high resistance, so proper insulation is there. And then last line and earth, again perform the test. There is high value of resistance, so proper insulation is there between these 2 terminals as well. So this is how we perform test for the lamp holders.